with confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're jumping right straight into this video. I'll be working with Yolissa hair today, and that's the unit I'll be working with. As you can see, I've already plucked and bleached this unit, and so just so you know, it didn't come like this. I had to put in the work myself. So now I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb. I did use my HAIR&Itznamara wax stick briefly, and then just went in with my hot comb. And yeah, so I like to prep my wigs on the dome head or the canvas head, as I find that easier, and then just go in to install the wig on my head later on. But yeah, so now I'm just flattening out the top just to make sure it is flat and sleek. I really love my wigs to be sitting very flat, and that's what I do. So I just add some HAIR&Itznamara wax stick and then use my hot comb in 240 degrees Celsius. And this is the Papachichi hot comb. Absolutely love this. As you can see, I have literally loved and abused it. And as you can see, this is a closer look at the hairline. Like this hairline, guys, I did my thing, y'all. I really did. And I'll be using my Babyliss Pro curler, and that's basically the heat protectant I used. I will link everything I used down below. And now I'm just going to go in to layer this hair, and I'm using one of those razor combs, and I'm just basically layering in an angle. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm just basically layering in an angle. You don't want basically to hold it straight and just cut straight through. You want to hold it in an angle and just basically cut downwards, if it makes sense. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing, and I'll just let you guys watch this bit. And yeah, and also when it comes to layering, it is all down to your preference, guys. I don't really go in too much whilst it's on the canvas head. I just do a little bit, and whilst the hair's on my head, I then go in and cut or layer a bit more if I feel like it. But I'm mainly focused on the front to just frame my face a little better, and so that the curls actually sit right. So now going into styling, I am adding a bit more of the heat protectant, and then going in with my Babyliss Pro curler, and I'm going in to just basically press the hair first, just so I can get rid of any crinks or any waves or anything like that before going in to curl. And I'll just let you guys watch this bit on how I curl. It's pretty simple, not hard, and I made sure to leave this in real time so you guys can see how I do it. I also went in to do like a pink curled look. I absolutely loved how this turned out, but yeah, let me just stop rambling and let you guys watch, and yeah, I'll be back. y'all know I do not like curling hair, but when it comes to doing it on the canvas head, I just find it so much easier, and it just allows me to just do it to the best of my abilities. So, and I'm such a perfectionist as well, so I just prefer styling it on a canvas head. But yeah, I'm going in with my keratin Schwarzkopf hairspray and just spraying that generously, and left that on for a couple of hours. And yeah, that's basically how it is looking. Very neat. I'm quite proud of myself. It took me hours to do, but we got there in the end. So now, going into the install portion of this video, can we just take a second and just acknowledge this lace? Like, it is super thin, absolutely like amazing. So before starting my install, I always go in to cut off my ear tabs, as the lace is a bit too big. So yeah, you would have to always go in and cut off the ear tabs to just so it just fits around your ears, and it just fits perfectly basically. Yeah, so once that's done, I go in to just section the lace, as I like working in sections, as you guys may know by now. And going in with my Kiki hair care protectant, and I just apply that onto a cotton pad and just wipe off any oils or excess dirt. And I'll be using my Ebony spray. I love this stuff. The hold on this is absolutely amazing. I always start off by laying the crown portion before going on to the sides. So once I've applied a generous amount onto my forehead and use my hands to just spread that out thinly, I then use my rat tail comb and blow dryer to just press down the lace. Pretty simple. I've not really changed anything with my install as of yet. If I do find a different method, I will definitely let you guys know, but for now this is basically how I do it. And yeah, and this part is always crucial. I always go in with my elastic band. You can buy this at a hair shop or wherever. It always helps to melt that lace. And now I'm just going in with my eyebrow razor to just cut off this lace. And as you can see, this lace is absolutely amazing. Can you see that? It looks like it's literally melting. Like, I was shook. What lace? What a lace. Y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can see how shocked I was. Yeah, what lace. So to just further melt in that lace, as you can see, I have a little bit of like white residue. I just spray some of the Ebony spray onto my rat tail comb and just press that in, and that should basically get rid of any residue. So I'm just carrying on with my eyebrow razor to cut off the rest of the lace on the other side. And yeah, in case you guys missed it, like, can you see this? Like, what lace? Right, so I'm just showing you guys again. To get rid of the residue, just spray a little bit onto the rat tail comb and just press that in. Like, this technique really helps. As you can see, everything is all melted and no residue in sight. Absolutely melted. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of my black opal foundation stick, and that's slightly darker than me, but I find that it actually helps melt the lace. And who is she? Who is she? What? Come on now, y'all can't tell me this hair is not laid. This unit is so stunning. So I'm just gonna go in to further just hot comb the hair and make sure it's all flat. And I decided to add a little bit of of like minimum baby hairs. I didn't want to go in too much, as the hairline and the lace is just doing it all for me, so I didn't really want to ruin it with a lot of baby hair, so I went in with just natural looking ones. And yeah, but guys, this unit, yeah, I could not stop running my hands through it. It's just okay. Take a second. Who is she? See fine babe. What lace? What a lace. I did my thing, y'all. Like, I was definitely feeling like the it girl, because can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? What? How can you not? Right guys, so this is the final look. This is how the unit is looking. I am absolutely stunned at how gorgeous this unit is. Like, the lace is amazing, and I did pretty well with plucking as well, and installing this unit was pretty easy. Like, it wasn't hard at all. Melting the lace was super easy as well. As you guys saw, the lace was absolutely amazing. It was sensational, literally. Like, there's nothing bad to say about this unit. It is absolutely amazing. Let me just run you guys through the specs real quick. This is a 24-inch 200% density, and it is also body wave texture, and it is a 13x4 HD lace frontal, and this unit is from Yolissa Hair. And guys, like, this unit is so soft. The lace on this unit is absolutely amazing. You guys should definitely not sleep on this unit. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will make sure to leave all the specs and details down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And thanks once again to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for clicking on and hanging out with me today. If you did find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that like button, and also leave a comment. Let me know if you will be trying out this unit or even this company, and also hit that subscribe button and click onto the notification bell just so you get notified whenever I make an upload. And yeah, so thanks once again, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.